biscuits, cocktail fruit, and mango slices, and last, mayonnaise. First, we put fresh cream in this bowl. Second pack. Third pack. Last pack. Condensed milk. Mayonnaise. Now mix. First, put this cream here. Now, we will put the sliced mango. Now we will put cream. And then we will do all the same again. Now we have to repeat again. Now slice mango again. And then put cream again. And then biscuit again. Now put the fruits again. Now we will put this in the fridge for 8 hours. And then put cocktail. Now we put the fruit cocktail into the mango float. And this is for design. Thank you for watching. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to Little Chef Angela and Shirley. Like and subscribe and share to other people or friends that